controlled drug delivery system. In this system, it is a type of system that has to deliver a drug into the body at a controlled rate of period of time. Historically, the drug delivery systems are developed primarily for the traditional routes of administration. In the drug delivery systems, there are so many types of drug delivery systems are present. For example, oral, intravenous, parenteral, etc. These types of the drug delivery systems are being presented. And recently, the explosion in research on deliveries of drug delivery system are invented by the recent researchers. So, it is named as a non-conventional routes such as transdermal route for administration and nasal route administration, ocular route administration, pulmonary route administration. These are the different types of the administration routes of administration to deliver the drug at the period of time. The drug delivery applications have expanded from the traditional drugs to the therapeutic peptides, vaccines, hormones, etc. These systems are employed a variety of rate controlling mechanisms, which includes the matrix diffusion, membrane diffusion, biodegradation, and osmosis. To design or to produce a new drug delivery system, we must understand the drug and material properties like transfer, reactions, kinetics, pH values, and pharmacokinetics, etc. These phenomenon we have to know it. And periodic administration of the drug by conventional means, such as taking a tablet every 4 hours, can result in the constantly changing systemic drug delivery system. While we are taking tablet for each hours, every 4 hours, it changes the systemic drug concentration, and the controlled release system maintain a therapeutic concentration of the drug in the body. There are two main objectives of the drug delivery systems. They are drug targeting and controlled release. In the drug targeting, the drug will be delivered into the body and it passed through the systemic circulation and it reached to the desired location of the body. Where it comes to the controlled release, the delivery of drug at desired rate in the body, and then it will be controlled by the some length of time. It is controlled by the length of time. And here, a novel drug delivery system is a system that offers multiple drug delivery forms. For example, oral drug delivery system, topical drug delivery system, protein drug delivery system, peptide drug delivery system, nasal drug delivery system, pulmonary drug delivery system, parenteral drug delivery system, implant drug delivery system, and transdermal drug delivery system. These are the some types of the drug delivery systems. Here, in this controlled drug delivery system, we are going to study about the oral controlled release drug delivery system. Mainly in this oral drug delivery system, it is a most convenient route of drug delivery system, which in where compared to the other drug delivery systems. And in this oral drug delivery system, the oral route of administration has received the most attention with the predictive research on the physiological and drug consistence. And in this oral drug delivery system, the flexibility of drug dosage form is available to the body. Majorly, the oral route administration advances in the drug delivery technology. In spite of tablets, capsules, solutions, emulsions, and suspensions, they are more superior to the oral conventional formulations. The use of drug development to increase the safety and efficacy of the therapy when administered to the patients. By these oral route drug delivery system, it is easier to administrate the drug, and it is a safe process also. In many pharmaceutical industries, the challenge and optimization of drug properties and delivered form dosage forms are prepared by these oral route drug delivery dosage forms. Majorly in industries, oral route drug delivery systems are prepared for because of it is very convenient to the patients to administrate the drug dosage form. In this novel drug delivery system, the oral controlled release drug delivery systems are studied and fluently we can understood by the in this class. Due to gastric barriers, the drugs and the targeted sites for the local action purpose are generally controlled by the drug delivery systems. The targeting systems are controlled in specific area of the GIT. A new generation in oral drug delivery technology is activated as a regulatory approval. All formulations of the systemic delivery through the route of administration are independent mode of the delivery. The fundamentals and understanding of gastric intestinal physiology, pharmacokinetics, pharmacodynamics, and pharmacological actions are play an important role in achieving a systemic approach to the successful development of the oral drug delivery system. For the successful development of oral drug delivery system, we have to need some aspects like that is biopharmaceutical characters of the drug, anatomy and physiology of the gastrointestinal tract, and physicochemical properties of the dosage form. These are the some aspects which have to need to know about the dosage form and drug composition. Although it is impractical to change the biopharmaceutical characters of the drug to be delivered by the chemical modifications. Some potential challenged areas are observed in the oral controlled release of the drug delivery system. While we are administering the dosage or drug by the oral route, some potential challenges are seen. They are proper delivery systems are developed by the effective rate of the direction which required for the treatment. When we are administering a drug, that time the proper delivery systems are developed. The gastric intestinal transmitted times also alter the changes in the drug delivery system also, and reduction of first pass first pass metabolism, it affects the oral drug delivery system. These are the some potential changes which affects the oral drug delivery system. Mainly the advantages of the oral controlled release drug delivery systems are: by the administration of drugs through the oral, it reduces the dosing frequency and loss of drug can be reduced. Toxicological effects can be reduced by the oral drug delivery system, and some fluctuations in the plasma drug level can be minimized by this oral drug delivery system. And it is better convenient to the patient, and stability of drug can be increased. The uniform drug effect can be achieved. Maintenance of the effective dosage levels can be maintained for the long time, and delivery of drug will be properly delivered at the site of action. These are the main advantages of the oral drug delivery system. Where it comes to the disadvantages, here two major disadvantages are there. They are poor in vitro vivo correlation and dosage dumping will be occurred due to the polymer burst action at a particular site. We can observe the drug can be dumped by the some actions which fluctuations in gastric fluids, by the fluctuations in gastric fluids, that time the dosage dumping will be occurred. These are the major disadvantages of the oral drug delivery system. And where it comes to the classification of oral controlled release system, here the majority of oral controlled release drug delivery system which is depends upon the diffusion, dissolution, diffusion, ion exchanging resins, pH independent formulations, osmotic control, altering density, prodrugs, delayed releasing systems. These are the some 9 classifications of the oral controlled release systems. I will repeat it. The first one is dissolution controlled release system. Second one is diffusion controlled release system. Third one is dissolution and diffusion controlled release system. Fourth one is ion exchanging resins. Fifth one is pH independent formulations. Sixth one is osmotic controlled release system. Seventh one is altered density release system. Eighth one is prodrugs. And final classification of the oral controlled release system is delayed release system. As name indicates, the oral controlled release systems are be like this. We can observe in dissolution controlled release system, the poor dissolution rate affects the blood drug levels. For example, the dissolution rate will be poor, the blood level will be decreased. Where the dissolution level will be good, the blood drug level will be controlled. This is some classification about the oral controlled drug delivery system. And selection of drug candidates for the controlled release drug dosage system. In this selection of drug candidate, it depends upon the physiological and biological aspects of the physiochemical and biological properties of the drug relevant to the controlled release formulations. In these physicochemical and biological properties of the drug relevant CDDS, we have to go and study about the physiochemical and biological properties. They are nothing but adsorption, dissolution, metabolism, elimination, half-life, and therapeutic windows, number of doses, large and small. Okay, low solubility, compatibility, poor absorption, first pass metabolisms, molecular weight, pH, protein binding, ASG. These are the some major properties that relevant to the controlled release formulations. And this is about the controlled drug delivery system introduction, advantages, disadvantages, and this classification of the oral drug delivery system. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for listening my video. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. Thank you very much for your approach. Thank you very much.